These are Oliver's first hiccups.
We were going to scare him out of him by playing him Justin Bieber.
By the time he's old enough to hear this, Justin Bieber will have faded into obscurity. Isn't that a nice thought?
Unless he becomes like a double, triple threat like a Justin Timberlake. Justin Timberlake was a douche as a child.
Oh no, I can't. This guy's really. Oh my God, you're blowing my mind. Focus on our baby. Hello. Hello, first hiccups. Oh, feet. Get his feet. Get his feet. So, Oliver, we should really be sleeping now. It's of extreme importance that we be sleeping. But you're devastating us with your cuteness, which keeps us awake. Look at his little elf ears. Oh, is that the sweetest ear you've ever seen?
Redonkulous.